How to install electric roller shutters. The tools you'll need are a spirit level, drill, hammer, 10mm drill bit, 5mm drill bit, 5 or 6mm masonry drill bit depending on wall plug size chosen, and screws to suit. For timber frame windows, you'll just need screws. Electric roller shutter components are one head box, two guides, two guide legs, 10mm coloured guide plugs and rivets. Step 1. Instructions for fixing a roller shutter on a wall. Mark the top horizontal position of the roller shutter on the wall above the window. On this line, mark the width of the roller shutter. From these two marks, vertically level down each side of the window. You'll now have the outline of the roller shutter marked on the wall. At this stage, you can check the roller shutter is central to the window and is exactly horizontal and vertical. This is most important. IR, or in reveal, is the same principle, but your window is your horizontal and vertical position. Still check that you are exactly horizontal and vertical. This is most important. Step 2. Measure the depth of the head box. Then from the top horizontal position of the roller shutter, which you've marked on the wall, measure this distance down each side. This will then give you the position of the top of the guide on each side of the window. For IR roller shutters, you can now cut the guide to the exacted length and angle of the sill. Step 3. Hold the guide in the two positions marked. Top of guide position, as in Step 3, and the vertical guide position, as in Step 2. You can now mark the best position to fix the guide to the wall, and these marks can be transferred to the other side guide. You can now drill through the front and back of the guide. The drill size is determined by the size of the screw you use. The front of the guide will need a 10mm hole in which the 10mm coloured guide plugs are inserted. This then covers up the fixing points. For IR, the fixing holes are drilled from the curtain side 10mm to the outside 5mm. No 10mm coloured plug is required. Step 4. The head box comes with pre-drilled holes to attach the head box cover after installation. The guide legs can now be slid into position. Then slide the roller shutter guides on each side leg. Carefully place the roller shutter on the outline of the roller shutter marked on the wall and mark your fixing points. Then drill and plug the wall if masonry. If it's a timber wall, just a pilot hole to suit the fixing screws. Step 5. Carefully place the roller shutter next to the window. Raise the roller shutter to the outline of the roller shutter marked on the wall, and then screw the roller shutter to the wall. Then insert the 10mm coloured guide plugs, for OW installation only. Step 6. Unwrap the curtain and place the bottom bar of the curtain into the guides on each side. Step 7. Contact a qualified electrician. At the motor end of the roller shutter, you'll see a yellow and white button. These are set to the stop position of the roller shutter at the fully open and fully closed position. And when you're happy with these positions, rivet the head box cover on and you're done.